In July 1945, the USS Indianapolis completed the most secret mission in naval history. They delivered the components for the atomic bomb that would end World War II, but on their way back, everything went wrong. A Japanese submarine fired 2 torpedoes into their hull. The ship sank in 12 minutes. 900 sailors were thrown into the Pacific Ocean. No life rafts, no rescue signals sent, and the Navy didn't even know they were missing. For 4 days, they floated in shark-infested waters. Men drank salt water and went insane. They hallucinated rescue ships that weren't there. Tiger sharks circled below, picking off the weakest victims one by one. Survivors watched their friends disappear beneath the waves, screaming. When rescue finally came, only 317 men were still alive. The Navy covered it up for decades to protect the atomic bomb secret. They blamed the ship's captain for their own intelligence failures. 900 sailors paid the ultimate price for America's most classified weapon, and almost no one knew their story.